Welcome back, kindergarten artists. So now that our hat is dry, we're going to cut it out. And I'm going to take my time and cut on the outer line, but I don't want to cut my hat apart. So I want to keep all of it together as I go around. Okay, and when I'm done cutting, do my scraps go in the garbage or the recycling bin? Recycling bin. Okay, so now that I have my hat cut out, I'm going to take a black paper, and before I glue it on, I want to write my name on the back of this black paper. But we want it to show up really well, so we're going to be using these super cool metallic markers to make our snowflakes. So go ahead and grab one and write your name on the back with it, because it is so shiny that it will show up on this black paper. So cool. All right, and then flip it. We're going to take our hat, turn it over, and with my glue, I am tracing the shape of my hat. But do I want to go super close to the edge, like right here? No, because then the glue will come out of the side. So I want to go trace my hat, but leave a little bit of space. So see, I left a little bit of space around. So it should be kind of like that. Then I'm going to carefully pick it up and turn it over, set it in the middle, and hold it down and count to 10 slowly. Will you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now it should be pretty secure. I'm going to add some fluffy cotton, like how our winter hats are often fluffy on the top and on the bottom here. But I'm not just going to stick it right on like that. I'm going to spread it out and make it super fluffy. So you're going to get 2 cotton balls. Take your first one, and with one of your hands, pull off a piece. And then with both hands, you're going to gently kind of fluff it, pull it, to make it even fluffier. Okay, and so then I can put a little bit of glue onto my circle, set it on, and then get a little more, fluff it out, put it on my glue. Ooh, and now I've got a fluffy pom-pom at the top of my hat. Should we make this part fluffy too? Let's do it. Okay, now if you end up with any extra cotton, you could either see if a friend at your table needs extra or go put it back in the bag and we can save it. All right, now I'm going to finish off my watercolor line hat by adding some colorful metallic snowflakes. And you get to decide how to draw these. But to start, you're going to want to make a plus sign or a T and then an X. Okay, so a plus sign, like when you're adding 2 numbers together in math, and then an X. And then to make these even fancier, you could do something like add a letter V to the end of each line, or 2 V's. You could add a circle to the end of each line. Maybe I choose a new color. Or you could come up with your own way to make a snowflake, which would be even better, because then you're being super creative. They can be different sizes, different colors, and we just want to fill our black space with shiny metallic snowflakes. Should we see how mine turns out once it's done? Okay. Okay, now that my project is done and I've filled my background with lots of colorful metallic snowflakes, I'm going to go put my hat on the drying rack so my glue can dry, and then go choose something to work on. All right, let's get started.